Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix cannot accept friend request. This problem show up when I send a friend request. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on your phone setting and scroll down. Click on apps and tap on search Facebook and click on Facebook and scroll down and tap on storage and click on clear data and tap on delete and open on Google Play Store. Tap on search and search Facebook app. And update your Facebook app if available. Now open on your Facebook app now you can accept or confirm friend request right now. Hopefully your problem solved. Thanks for watching.